Hey guys, I'm just gonna give you a demo of my adder, 8-bit adder. So right now by default it's at 14 because I have hard-coded the last 3 bits of the input 1 and input 2 to 1 because I have a restriction on the switches. So first I have 5 test cases, and the 6th one will be a carry test case, carry out. So first you'll notice that right now it's at 14. I'm gonna add 8 to it. This is the hex representation, which is 16, but in decimal, 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 in decimal is 16. So this is correct. Next test case, I'm just gonna keep messing with input 1, and I'm gonna add 16 more. This is 38 in decimal, but 26 in hex. Next, I'm gonna keep this as is, and I'm just gonna add 8 from the input 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is input 2. 2e, this is 46. So 38 plus 8 is 46, but 2e in hex. And again, I'm just going to add another 16 to it. And this time it's going to be 38 plus 18 plus 16, which is 62, and it's 3e in hex. Last test case, let's do some carry out. And as you can see, this number is too big to represent. So carry out light is on, and that's the value on top of the carry out. And thanks. Oh, one thing that I learned is if you're programming in Quartus and you use a buffer in your entity, by default, a buffer is in or out. But Quartus will assign it default output pins on your board. So before I programmed it correctly, I had some LED on right here and the decimal point on right here. And I was wondering, hey, why so? If you just go to your pin planner, you'll see there's a column called default assignment, and you can see which assignments are programmed to those default output that you don't alter with. Thanks.